Samsung just launched a brand new S25 series, and in my hands is the S25 Ultra, okay? But everyone is saying it's the same as the previous generation. So here I am giving you another option of a flagship Android device, the Honor Magic 7 Pro. So in this video, let me share with you the comparison between both the devices. Let's go! What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in this comparison video, let's start with the most important thing, the price, okay? So the Galaxy S25 Ultra starts from $5,999 for 12GB RAM and also 256GB of storage. And the Honor Magic 7 Pro actually starts from $4,599 only and also has 12GB of RAM and bigger storage, which is 512GB. For the rest of the specs, Honor Magic 7 Pro 16GB plus 1TB ROM is $5,199, while the S25 Ultra 12GB RAM with 512 is $6,599 and with 1TB is $7,799. So clearly, price-wise, no matter what gigabyte RAM or what gigabyte storage, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is still more affordable than this one. Now the next thing we want to compare, battery and also charging for these two devices, okay? Battery wise, the Honor Magic 7 Pro has a bigger battery with 5850 mAh and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra only has 5000 mAh. And if you didn't know, they have not upgraded the battery since the S22, okay? They have been using the same 5000 mAh battery for so many generations, and the wired charging has always been the same, which is 45 watt only, while the Honor Magic 7 Pro has a 100 watt wired charging, 80 watt wireless charging, okay? But when you compare with the Samsung, they only have 25 watt wireless charging, and if you don't get this, if you get the Plus, you only get 15 watt. You're paying so much, but the battery is not as good and the charging is also not as good. Okay, it's time to talk about the most important part of a smartphone, not the screen, but the camera at the back, okay? Main camera, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a 200 megapixel camera. Resolution wise, of course, it's a lot bigger, okay? And the Honor Magic 7 Pro has a 50 megapixel Falcon camera. Although when it comes to resolution, 50 is definitely smaller than 200, but the Honor camera has Falcon Capture, which is better to capture results at fast-moving subjects. And of course, if you look at the sample comparison here of fast-moving subject, Honor definitely can capture better photos than the Samsung Galaxy S25. Now when it comes to telephoto capability of both the phones, okay, they are actually quite different. So for Honor Magic 7 Pro, it only has one zoom lens, which is a 200 megapixel telephoto camera, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has two telephoto camera, okay? So this one has a 10 megapixel 3x optical lens and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera for 5x and also 10x optical zoom. But the Honor Magic 7 Pro can actually do 3x optical zoom, 6x seamless zoom and also 100x digital zoom with, of course, a better and also bigger resolution, which I mentioned just now, 200 megapixels. But the Honor Magic 7 Pro has this new feature called AI Super Zoom, okay? And it will kick in the moment you zoom from 60 times to 100 times. So basically, right, it will use AI technology to make sure all your zoom photos are sharp. And that also means when you want to compare with the Samsung S25 Ultra, every photo within the 10 times zoom will be comparable. But the moment you push all the way out there, this one confirm cannot make it, cannot compete with the Honor. For ultra wide, the Honor Magic 7 Pro has a 50 megapixel lens and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra also has a 50 megapixel lens. Now when it comes to selfie, okay, which is the camera on the front, the Honor Magic 7 Pro actually has a higher resolution selfie camera which is 50 megapixel, while the Samsung only got 12 megapixel. Okay, now let's go back to the front of the phone, which is the screen, okay? Now the Honor Magic 7 Pro has a smaller display at 6.8 inches and the Samsung actually has a 6.9 inches screen, okay? But both of them is very different when it comes to brightness because the Honor Magic 7 Pro can actually go up to 5000 nits peak brightness, but the Samsung one can only go to 2600 nits peak brightness, almost half. The Honor Magic 7 Pro screen also has more eye protection features such as 4320Hz risk-free PWM dimming, AI defocus, circular polarized display and circadian night display and so on. Now when it comes to security, okay, unlocking the phone, which one is safer? Well, when it comes to fingerprint, both also got fingerprint unlock. So both are the same. But when it comes to face recognition, okay, the Honor Magic 7 Pro actually has 3D face unlock using 2 cameras on the front, while the Samsung only got 1 camera, and that also means if you use the Honor Magic 7 Pro, it is a lot safer. Of course, nowadays when you want to buy a smartphone, a very important thing to consider is whether it has very good AI features or not. Well, both the devices have their own suite of AI features. So for example, the Samsung has Now Brief, which is a brief update of your day. We also have this Now Bar, which is a copycat of Apple's Dynamic Island. We have AI Select, basically it's to check out what's on your screen and you can do things on the screen. We have Audio Eraser, which is also a copycat of iPhone's Audio Eraser feature. There's also Best Face, which is a group photo feature that will pick the best face for every person, which is actually a Google feature. And of course, Advanced Gemini, which is a Google's AI assistant. Now let's look at Honor's AI features. The Honor Magic 7 Pro has this unique AI feature called AI Deepfake Detection. Basically, it is able to detect if any con people want to con you using a fake face. It will be able to tell you that don't give them your data because they are using a deepfake face, okay? Other than that, there's also Magic Portal 2.0 for you to easily transfer data from one app to another. And of course, there are AI Notes, AI Translation, AI Album, and also Google Gemini. So when you want to compare AI features, I would say they are both very similar. Both also got very good AI features, but Samsung will only let you use the AI features for free until the end of this year. Okay, after 2025, they might actually charge you. But on the Honor Magic 7 Pro, it is forever free. When you want to compare the S25 Ultra with any other phone, I'm sure this phone will win with one thing, because this phone has a pen. No other phone, okay, can have a pen inside here that you can press and then the pen come out like that for you to write things, okay? But just want to let you know, in this generation, okay, Samsung has removed all the Bluetooth features with the S Pen, and that also means if you want to do all this magic one thing, click 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 to control your phone, whatever, cannot, okay, because I think they want to save costs by just giving you a basic S Pen for you to draw on the screen. That's all. So hopefully this comparison video will help you to decide which Android flagship phone to get, okay? Either the S25 Ultra or the Honor Magic 7 Pro. If you really are interested in these phones, I suggest that you go to the shops and go try it for yourself and pick the one that is most suitable for your own usage, okay? So if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video. Share this video with your friends who are looking for new Android phones. Follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, no more Bluetooth feature. Yo!